If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified.
Is it what I think it is? Is it what I think it is? I didn't even tell you to get me these. I wanted these. You ordered or did you go to Tosho?
Daddy went.
You went to Tosho?
Yeah.
That's why you have to cook for me.
Yeah, Daddy went.
You bought these? I literally wanted to get more of these.
Well, this is actually formulated. They did not rock it.
You got me a Seba too?
That's a magnetic.
I have this one.
Open it. Open it.
Cherry with a handle.
Gosh.
Careful.
Careful, it's very sharp.
Oh, that's crazy. This is beautiful, guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's made in Japan.
The guy said your first sharpening is free. So you have to bring it there. You put that's a magnetic one.
I know, I have this one already. Wow. Hey, Mark's gift card. Let's go. All right, let's get it. Pina, what did we get? Whoa, what the heck? It's a package.
I don't know.
Lily's gonna use this right away. What did you get me? Peanut. What is this, Peanut?
Don't open it. Ask him to open it.
Thank you guys.
He knows how to open presents, guys.
The auto lock tape measure! Let's go! This is what I wanted! This is the best shit! Yo, look at this! Look at this! Look at this! This is what I need! Let's go! Thank you! What's this? Let's see how sharp this is. Ooh! With the light on!
What is that?
This is sick!
Wait, I don't.
Sweat absorbing microfiber strap.
Get out of the way. You need it for your-
Okay! Thank you!
You want to open all of it?
Oh, this is sick.
No, Pina, get out of the way.
This
look,
is
look.
actually my favorite.
Look, look.
I actually really wanted this. Look at this!
Sort of.
Hey?
What's the other one doesn't stay?
No, mine's broken now. I bought it. Let's go, Milwaukee Auto Lock Tape Measure.
Okay, this one.
Okay. Wow, I'm gonna need this. Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Wait. Stay there. Han, video. Oh, Janlei, you and Arjun. Come.
Wait, I don't want to open all my gifts today. I want to open them tomorrow.
No, open this. The two of
Let me
you.
see it.
Just that. Oh, don't touch it. The camera so I can see. Oh. Wow, that's very sharp.
Cut your hand.
Janlei, what? Here.
Come on.
Don't open it yet.
I just got a new present.
This one. The rest is tomorrow.
What's Peanut's gift? Peanut's is
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put this on my hard hat. Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. I know what this is.
Wait, hold on.
I think I know what this is.
They're twins, that's why I have to buy this. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you...
Is there more gifts for tomorrow?
Yeah, there's more.
look at Peanut is hungry now.
And this is the only thing I'm buying.
Yeah, that's it. That's your opening.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
I think I know what this is. It's a rainbow diploma. Let's go.
Do you like it?
Yeah, this is awesome. Wow.
It's already
So
there.
good.
It's
This is perfect. Thank you.
awesome. I like the color too. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it takes $200.
The next.
Ganun ang
Get
kulo.
out of there.
Ganun ang-
Okay, out there. Out.
Sit down there. Go sit down there, out there.
Oh, it's crazy. Let's go.
You face that side. You're kicking. You go forward a little bit.
I'm not doing anything.
Huh? Open it.
Yeah. Turn around.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yes! Wow. This is pretty. Oh, that's not the right one. Well, Dad. There's two. Okay.
That's big. I'm very big.
Yeah. Why don't you carry this? I want you to carry this, please. It's orange.
You like it?
I like it, but it's orange.
You know why?
Pretty. Why?
Because this is more sturdy.
There's a price on there.
Huh?
There's a price in it. The big one is not, I don't think it's 30.
You put this all here. If you need to,
Just in case you want to carry it. That's okay. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. I like how there's three. Thank you, Daddy.
Yay!
Oh, that's expensive. Wow.
you think that's that one, huh?
That one is only 130.
That's nice though.
Good quality.
The small one is
Quality
only
is
140.
forever. See this one here, look at how sturdy it is.
It's not waterproof.
Huh?
It's not waterproof.
What do you need waterproof?
Because it rains. It does something.
No. It won't rain, you're inside the airport.
Oh, amazing.
This one is a low profile. Low profile is like
Yay, thank you.
and this color I can borrow it too.
I mean, that's why you got it. Literally, this is our gift, not just mine. This is here. I told you I don't like blue as much anymore. You keep giving me blue.
That's nice. I
It's
like
nice.
it.
It's a nice quality one. I like
Look.
it. Oh, look at that.
You coming?
Peanut, how about help me with this one? What's this? Want to help me with this one, Peanut? You gonna help me? Okay, come on, help me open this one. What is this? Is this one too?
Dad, you have to
Yeah.
buy these pieces.
Open it.
Open it.
Help me. Help me.
No, I have to buy something.
Help me. Come on, help me.
You have it on display.
Go.
You have it on display. At the store that I was supposed to give you a supplement, but they were closed already, so this is all I got.
Thank you. What? Thank you. Whoa.
How much is that?
Protein. I can give back my weight.
How much is that?
Oh, I think they have protein there too. That's protein.
So how much you got it?
Oh, is that your playlist?
95.
Yeah. Wow.
Bueno.
Peanut, let Peanut open the. Peanut, open the gift. Oh, me.
Oh, what about you? Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
You have to open. Mom, you wanna open yours now or tomorrow?
Okay. Here, open yours too. Open yours too.
Mine?
Yeah.
I'm excited about this one.
Oh, Merry Christmas. Merry
Peanut,
Christmas.
there's a gift for you. Come. This is my gift. Out. Out.
Wow.
Yay. Look at shopping. Merry
I don't know, it's
Christmas.
there.
I wanted this knife back when I was in school.
Leg pot. Merry Christmas. It's Christmas.
I'm gonna bought it. They just took it at the back.
Yeah, because it's
And it's
recorded.
gone. I didn't even check what's inside.
Let's see what's inside.
Merry Christmas.
Guys, are you ready? What's in here? It's a dust bag. There's nothing inside. I'm excited. Yeah, look at this!
Wow.
Fancy bracelet. It's a Alma. Can you put this on me, please? I wanted to see.
Saucy naman.
I don't know how that works.
Oh, it has a little speedy bag on it.
Yeah, there's a speedy. This is a speedy bracelet. I don't think that will fit. We should get the other one.
Oh, you open it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, press this button here. Just press it.
Perfect.
Oh,
No, it's not.
No, it perfect
I
fit.
don't like it like this.
Tus.
Too small.
No, that's cute. You don't need
No,
it to.
I want the one that's like my other bracelet.
Just show it, show it, show it, show it.
It's too small.
Wow.
What's the next one?
Finally, something doesn't fit you.
No, you have to change it.
19.
College.
I knew it.
It's broken already. Go. Open it.
What's my gift receipt for this?
Why?
I've got an AirPod.
Every time I give you present, you always complain.
But this one is too small in my ears. That's why I don't
Yes.
like it.
You're always butter mine.
Yeah,
Stop.
but it falls. You
No.
don't understand. That's why I said don't buy it. It falls, hon. You don't understand.
Okay, try it first.
I'm not gonna open it.
I'll have it.
No, I want the big one.
There's no big one. There's no big one.
Yeah, this one is too small. Hey, when I borrow yours, they fall apart.
No, it's not.
AirPods.
You always borrow mine.
I got nuts.
That's for you get that nuts.
I have chocolate. And I have more pajama. But I don't have socks. Where's my socks?
You already bought it today, so that's why.
Thank you, but where's my gift?
Wow, really?
Thank you. Where's my gift?